Need to save your multiple emails for offline use? Let me show you how to download your AOL emails to your computer. Open a web browser and go to AOL.com. Sign into your AOL mail account. Open the email you want to download. Now, if you want to download a lot of emails at once, you can connect AOL to an email client like Microsoft Outlook or Mozilla Thunderbird. Another method to download multiple emails is open AOL Mail in your browser. Open the email you want to download, click on More, and tap on Print. Even if you don't want to print, in the Print dialog, choose Save as PDF instead of printing. Now you have to repeat the same process to download the other emails too. Do you prefer to store emails on your device or keep them in the cloud? Let me know in the comments. If you can't download the emails, check your internet connection or try a different browser. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.